Hello, it's Grant here from LJ Hook and Arrowbean. Today I'd just like to cover the basics of a front page of a contract of sale. So next time when you're in front of one prepared to sign for the sale of a property, you'll know what you're looking at. Okay, let's go. Let's start at the top of the contract. First thing you'll notice is it says contract for sale and the purchase of land, and then the year edition. If you look down the left side of the contract cover, you'll first see vendor's agent. So this is a real estate agent's details. Then you look down a bit further and it'll have the owner's name and their postal address. And moving down again, it'll have vendor's solicitor or conveyancer, and it'll have their complete details, where they're at, their contact names and numbers. Next you move down where it says date for completion. This is the settlement period. That can be anything from 30 days to 84 days. Really, it's a flexible area and you can engage with the solicitor and perhaps get it customised to suit you and any timing that you have around the sale. Then it'll have the property details for the property that is for sale, registered plan and folio identifier. Moving down on the left side it says improvements. These are tick box areas describing the property. It could have house, garage, home unit, car space, storage area. You need to check and see the boxes that you expect to be crossed do have a cross in the box. When you come down a little bit further, you'll see a heavier black outline boxed, and in here it has the inclusions. Again, more crossed boxed areas, and check these to make sure all the inclusions that you're expecting in the property do have a cross in the box, and this can be blinds, built-in robes, dishwashers, etc. And then there's another area that says exclusions, so have a look and see if there is anything excluded that you thought was perhaps part of the sale. Next is purchaser. This is where you as the buyer, your details will go, including full names, including middle names and postal addresses. Then there's your purchaser, solicitor or conveyancer's details. This is where you'll give your details, who's looking after the sale for you. Then you get into the price, deposit and balance. That'll be the agreed price. The full 10% deposit is what always goes on the cover, and then the balance that you need to pay at the settlement period. And then there's a contract date. Once the contract is dated, that is the start of the settlement period, the date for completion, from the date dated on this date with your 30 to 84 days to settlement period. Then we'll come down to where the vendor and witness sign and the purchaser and witness sign. And that's the basics of the cover. I may do another fuller video just explaining in depth some of the things we just spoke about briefly. Well, I hope this information has been of assistance, and if you do have any further questions, you can contact Grant on 0438 261 600. Bye for now.